Lowe's Home Improvement. They've been around for over 100 years. And guess what?
Embracing new technology and bringing that technology to our customers is going to help us to continue to serve them for the next 100 years.
That is the Lowe's mindset.
Lowe's is one of the largest retail home improvement companies in the world. We've grown from one store in North Carolina to over 1,700 stores, and we have about 300,000 employees or associates, and over $83 billion in sales.
Impressive. And what about the labs?
Some of the challenges that we face in managing such a large and complex supply chain just involves the scale of everything. We have about 40,000 SKUs that we carry in our individual stores, and up to millions of SKUs that we fulfill through Lowes.com and our online services.
It does sound like a lot, but what does it mean on the ground?
We have challenges with peaks and valleys where a lot of shipments will show up on the same day, and we have the same amount of staff that we had the day before, but all of a sudden we have double the amount of product coming in.
So where did you start?
One of the challenges we wanted to address in working with Fujitsu is to bring some of their expertise into smoothing out some of those peaks and valleys so that we can align a lot of our labor with all the inventory coming in.
Interesting. Let's hear how you did it.
All right. We began our partnership with Fujitsu when we started learning about some of the possibilities about the semi-quantum digital annealer. We were curious and wanted to learn more, and that's when we first reached out to Fujitsu Research.
What happened then?
We were able to connect them with our data scientists as well as some of our infrastructure team, pulling in all of this supply chain data. Started to reveal some interesting insights. After some initial modeling of the data and combining some traditional AI tools and AI optimizations along with some of the quantum-inspired technology offered by Fujitsu, we were starting to see a reduction of up to 30% of some of our peak inventory disruptions. We saw a 10% increase in efficiency in our supply chain exploration.
Wow, that's significant, right?
Oftentimes when we make large changes, you might see a few tenths of a percent. So to see an opportunity for a 10% change was pretty exciting.
And what does this mean for your customers?
The reason we focus on improving our supply chain is because we're trying to get the right products to our customer at the right time. How can we get that package to the store as soon as possible? How can we get these building supplies rerouted to a storm-affected area as quickly as possible? All of this is to help our customers build their homes, help pros build their businesses. There's countless opportunities for us to accelerate the business and just have a better customer experience. Building with new technologies and partners that embrace those technologies, like Fujitsu, will help us build that future.